Antarctica, the coldest region on Earth. Huge mountains of ice can be seen flowing in the Antarctica throughout the year. Due to its weather conditions and geographical placement, this huge desert of ice has always been far from approach to the common man. But it has always attracted scientists, and that's the reason scientists have established various laboratories in this region. The urge to know more about this region increases as you unveil its mysteries. Vigyan Prasar recently released a book, Voyage to Antarctica, written by the famous scientist Felix Bast. This book portrays a thrilling journey to Antarctica.
My book is all about my journey to Antarctica that I undertook in 2016-17, which is almost 2 years back. But the book is chronologically depicted all my experiences. This is something like a virtual journey to Antarctica. So by reading this, the person will feel that they are actually visiting the Antarctica.
Very interestingly, the book talks about the preparations required to travel to Antarctica and how one should cope up with the conditions over there. The book also explains the scientific importance of that region.
The book is basically it's a popular science book, and I explain the entire trip. So it includes the aims. We have to undergo 1 week long medical checkup. So what kind of things that they look for, and also then acclimatization training in Orly as well as in Mana in Uttarakhand in Himalayas.
Voyage to Antarctica touches various aspects of Antarctica which have not yet been talked about. Although this book is about an Indian expedition, but the way it has been portrayed, it will surely attract people's attention towards Antarctica and science throughout the world.
Books of this kind are highly motivating for our young people, for students, for budding scientists. So we know about not only scientists, but the processes of science. And by knowing the processes of science, we can do better science. Vigyan Prasar has been doing a great job. They have published in last 3 decades 250 books, and these books are also being made available on digital platforms.
Voyage to Antarctica is probably one of the most authentic popular science books written on Antarctica till now.